Hello everyone. In this video, we show our fully automatic CNC machine for copper pipe straightening, cutting, end forming, and bending, all in one integrated unit. The machine has been fully installed and commissioned, and our European customer is now using it for mass production. Can you figure out how this machine bends the pipes? The secret lies in our specially modified cutting mechanism. To meet the customer's requirements, we adjusted the cutting function so the copper tube is not fully cut off. This allows the tube to break naturally during bending, ensuring a smooth and clean bending process. If your products have special requirements, feel free to send us your details. We can work with you to develop a customized automation solution for your production needs.